Today's topic is to check if the string ends with any of the string in our given list or not. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a filter and an ends with method. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are going to initialize our string and a list over here. The list is going to comprises of the word or the substrings which are going to end it with the string number 1. After that, we are going to use an ends with method over here. So what it's going to do is we are comparing the string number 1 ending elements with the list number 1, and after successful conversion of the list into the tuple, we are going to compare it. And if any of the element in the list number 1 gets true, it gets compared with the string number 1 and it shows that it gets ended, then we are storing that value in the x and we have them as an output. As you can see it over here, my first string, it ends with triple C, and I have in the list 1 triple C, so it's going to give me a true.